welcome to Janaea's Journey. I'm Janaea Simone. Today is super special. I'm super excited because my bae is about to take me to get the new iPhone 11 Pro. I'm super excited. So right now I have the iPhone 8 Plus, but later on you'll see me recording on the Pro. So yes, we do have a few errands to run before we do that, but I'm super excited. So make sure you stay tuned and hit that like and subscribe button right now. First, we have to go to the dentist. I just decided to take his car and go get my eyebrows done because he got a whole nother appointment. So I might as well go ahead and do what I need to do. So, but we're one step closer to going to get the phones. We in this thing and I'm about to get it. I'm about to get my phone. So I'm gonna be getting the iPhone 11 Pro Max. I'm super excited. Yes, he over there doing all the paperwork and stuff. So yes. Hey, thank you, thank you, thank you.
You're welcome.
Yes, yes.
You excited?
I'm so excited.
And it's the same cuddle right in a while.
Babe, speak English for my people, please.
Well, you are very welcome, and I hope you like it.
Thank you, babe. Thank you.
You're welcome. Bye.
Bye. All right, you guys. So it took forever, but I finally got my, and I just dropped my other phone. Goodness gracious. Anyways, it took forever, but I finally got my phone. So as you can see, this camera is like crystal clear. It's showing all my imperfections to you guys. But yes, we in this thing. Gang, gang, gang.